Here are 5 creative shots you can get with an action camera that looks super nice. Today I'm using the DJI Osmo Action 4, but this should work with any kind of action camera. Number 1. Tight spaces.
One of the coolest things about action cameras is how small they are. You can put them inside drawers, inside cabinets, inside backpacks, basically anywhere a normal camera would not fit. And because the camera disappears into the scene, you get shots that instantly feel more interesting.
And number 2, mount it to objects.
This is something I used a lot when I was filming my short film Groundwork. When the camera moves with the object, everything else feels like it's moving around it. And it creates motion that feels like the camera is a part of the object itself.
The tool I use for some of these shots is a magic arm with a claw. With this I can mount the camera to objects pretty easily.
You're still showing what you're doing, just from angles people aren't used to seeing. Also, turn off stabilization. This camera has something called rock steady, but for these shots you want the raw movement, so it doesn't fight the motion. You want the camera to be fixed to the object and not drift.
One tip though, get an action camera mount adapter. I don't have one yet, so I rely on a phone holder. Come on. I mean, it works, but I wouldn't trust some fast moving shots outside a car. And number 3, weird body mounts. Everyone knows head mount at point of view, but try putting the camera somewhere else. Anywhere that gives a different perspective. It looks weird, but it actually makes the footage look more interesting. Number 4, fake drone shots.
You can use an extension rod to get the camera way higher than your arm reach. And from that height you can fake drone style footage.
This one came with the Adventure combo for this camera, and this can be extended pretty far. And lastly, number 5, illusion shot.
I don't really know why I call this an illusion shot, but it just looks weird.
So I'm gonna use a tripod for this, and you kinda have to MacGyver it a bit.
So I found out that just holding the tripod with one hand and the camera pointing at your face, this trick works pretty well. Yes, you can do this with other cameras too, but the lightweight of an action camera makes it way less risky.
And if you got some creative camera shots, let me know in the comments. That's it. Don't forget to press like if this was useful, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I see you in the next one.